Magandang hapon po ng August 25, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong August 25, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, August 25, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 25, 2025 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, August 25, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 25, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.